M.O.P Laughing Star.
See this life, don't let anybody lie for you. Everything has come. The highest come, mark my word. Since I entered this industry, now why you? Oh no. Why has come? Okay, come on, don't come. That time will come you 2006-7. So, Russell, that I would advise us in this industry, you have to have an identity that you need to represent something. Like people need to know you with something. You know, so that time, bros, they do select. I don't say that because you don't get money. I just say that your identity, now lie you. Since why you make money, when I don't have select this, even the select church where they street in early born. In secretary, then as Celestina, I don't sack up. We know that we got to find identity. We don't know say na hustle, Baba be the hustle. Since we make money, I say I will select. So me now, as I like this now, I don't give a fuck, man. Play that song, me the era. I don't try for this work. Play again. Hold on. Two Baba they hear me, you and they come by the blood. Who be you? Hold on there. You know how many years you crack joke for two Baba to come take your name sing? If you know you 23 years I did this work. I started work for one company and for BMD now.
Things they spoil for this one, nobody they talk. As I speak to you now, the price of Panadol, they give Bessie headache. Things for this country don't spoil. Even condom will be 200 naira before. Condom is now 2,500. Casino, let tell me. Condom now 2,500. Condom don't cost. We cannot even protect ourselves anymore. The price to treat protection can't cost fast food they give the infection. What is the total amount to carry get for total? Oh no, now 2,300 don't carry get for total. Before you know you buy it, you don't come out. That day I buy the condom, they tell me say 2,500. I just come out, but I still come back all buy because I was under duress. You know, hold on, you know, as I see use the condom finish, the condom still here. Because normally I'll be rough rider. And the side of my nose always so. You know, this Nigeria, the squadron of Nigeria don't go, we don't even the border. Everybody has sex. My young day. IBB confess, they donate, give him. He confessed that Abiola win the election. That's a confession. Because he confessed, they go beat him. IBB confessed that they donate money, billions of naira. Do you know they give IBB 17 billion for book where you know how many books I don't read? Are they all 17 million? They give IBB 17 billion. When I hear the money they give IBB, I get high BP. Oh no, Nigeria don't spoil. Nobody is not even talking about all this now just sex. If only we can keep our blockers, then we can focus, see what they block us.
But Nigerian women, no, that's what she said. Two Baba announced say don't leave Annie. When I say I should have left, but not today. Which day will I agree for on our WhatsApp? Like for on our WhatsApp group, which day they say husband supposed to leave wife? Because I get one of my guys who won't leave, I don't want to miss calendar.
But at the end of the day, all these guys they might be innocent because social media matter are two-faced. Hold on. Social media matter are two-faced. So if you want to know the truth about social media, the best person to ask is Zik Saloma because he knows it all.
When they really the Chris say should have left, but not today, not like You get how they tell the time she will say she be a show. This when I see for news, they don't go read all those show for Farm City. They say one of them get DPO infection.
Now women they cause all these things. Women. Everybody they fight for woman. Even see senator when they shout the eyes have it. We don't say for night they beg one woman say can I have it? Everybody they mess everything up. You know the women are the other people when they pretend to hate something for afternoon, can't like the tea for night. In the afternoon, women claim they hate suckers, but every night they play with balls. God have mercy. Oh, but I don't make plans, so I won't go do Nyash next week.
But we cannot understand what they happen for this country.
Do you know that you can post job opportunity now for WhatsApp? Nobody go message you. Post job, post market, secretly like they post job, nobody the message. But just post big nyash. Baba, for me, test nyash now. Man, want test nyash. Just hold on, I don't post. Now, I don't post one of my classmates where don't die. Post on for WhatsApp, the guy get big nyash. Now one of my guys don't message me, Baba, may they still pass me nyash now. I said, bro, you know RIP. Say, I met me no verse. When you say that the abbreviation of the girl name. Now I say this particular arrest me now rest in peace. You don't die, let her rest in peace. Leave this guy alone. That guy said my deepest condolences. 2 minutes later, that guy messaged me again. Bro, how far? I've still get the number in case person die tomorrow.
One girl just say make they use doggy, give him 500 million. How much people be they buy from for last election? Person wey wan save the whole nation, the full nation, the form na 100 million. You just want do doggy, collect 500 million. I be say if you do cowgirl, you go request for Ikoyi now. Once you get cowgirl, so what you want say, give me the whole Ikoyi. Where we go to stay? Now boys, okay, we now when we say our work normally. Once guys ask us money, we say I see what I can do. What do we can do now? Baba.
Say those even the social media thing now sex saga and if not be say how everybody they keep their prick this social media saga where they happen for no happen. You know people don't let they talk say what did D1 see for very dark man body. D1 say one discipline very dark man. Actually nobody say one discipline very dark man. When D1 enter Big Brother, you don't say that the Uber man will carry and come, carry and go back. As he just come, they say D1 take your load and return. As he one book, now the man say I dey outside. Hold on, as D1 enter, so that voice when they say D1, that one say pack your load and leave the house. You know say they know they see the voice. So D1 day, you don't that you don't depend, you don't cram that voice, don't find that person since. So this is Big Brother, that voice. So when very that man come, because say, all right. Now D1 say he's the one. You know that like that same voice. And you know say now they accuse everybody because the darker side of a man, and when they accuse say they sleep with another man. What if the man is not the one? Even our guy, they accuse him. Say before he feature the girl for skit, he will carry the girl go hotel, carry the girl like that and say, unde do. You understand? They accuse the guy. But at the end of the day, all these guys, they might be innocent because social media matter are two-faced.
Wait, so people there where they use 500 million. No, that's in a room of time. Wait, as in bro. For the first time, 2 wrongs make it right. Because for the girl to expect 500 million for doggy, that's wrong. For Bonner to promise 500 million for doggy, that's wrong. So those 2 wrongs don't make a... This country, now the only country, they say the land is green, but everywhere red. Everybody had a chook. Nothing works the way they explain it. Do you know that abroad, if you see somebody collapse, if you go beside the person who collapse, you go see what he take when they collapse. The name of the substance now knock off. Knock off, don't knock off. One of my guys don't find sleep. 6 days, no fit sleep. He begin ask, what can I take to sleep? They recommend different things. Somebody say make he drink plenty water. The guy drink water, nothing work. They say, okay, so you have to be exercising. He exercise. They recommend Octalidon. He drink nothing. This guy try everything. Nothing work until somebody can recommend Jehovah's Witness book Awake. As the guy read Awake, he enter coma. Nigeria now they play. Tinubu notice say arise, O compatriot, no they rise again. Now they change the national anthem before they leave us here.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.